So the image is when something that's cooking in your psyche, an issue, an image, a resolution, suddenly you find correspondence to it somewhere out there in a mandala or an image someone else has drawn, or a photograph that you have taken or someone else has taken, or in a movie or a piece of art or literature, that becomes sort of a living image for you. So image does not mean literally an image. Image is sort of an X-ray that represents the working of your soul, of your unconscious in the moment. And more we engage the image, more we know that we are. Now, how do you know that is your image? That is a very valid question. That I'm thinking about something, I'm struggling with something, and suddenly I see some image and say, aha, this photograph, this work of art that I saw in the recent art gallery here, this is my image. I may not have drawn it, but it is now my image because my psyche has adopted it. So, how do we know that that's your image? How do you know that that is a gift from your unconscious to deal with a sort of a GPS for the challenge that you have? So, here are the criterion for us to know that it is an image that belongs to your unconscious, corresponds to the image of your unconscious, and is the GPS for you to climb out of the dark night of the soul. So here are the criteria that you have to use. Number one, it has a numinous quality. It feels sacred. It feels that it touches a very deep part of you. Numinous means it feels awesome. It feels moving. It feels guiding. It feels light. It feels hopeful. It feels inspiring and motivating. The tremendum means it is terrible. It makes you tremble in your shoes, in your core. It is awful. It is frightening. It is dark. It's an abyss. You don't want to go there. And yet, that is the other side of the experience of the numinous.